Hello student. Today topic is decision structure. In the decision structure mean and in the any development of the application need beats the capability to context condition take a different course of action depending on the outcome of the text. Visual Basic provide three decision structure: if then else, and the select case. Firstly, you see the if then. If then means the if then structure takes the condition specified, and if it is true, execute the statement that follow. If the structure can have a single line or multiple line, the statement can have the single line or the multiple line. The single line, the it execute the one statement condition use the single line syntax, and to execute the multiple line statement separate them with firstly you see the single line syntax. Single line, in the single line, if condition, then if condition, then and then statement. It is a single line. Then in multiple line, multi-line, in multi-line, if condition, if condition, then statement. If condition, then and then multiple statement. The condition is usually a comparison and then end if and then end if. Here also end if and then close there end if. The condition is usually a comparison, but it can use the expression that evaluates the numeric value also. Visual Basic evaluates this value is true or the false, true or false condition. Zero numeric value is false, and any non-zero numeric value is also considered true. If condition is true, then Visual Basic execute all the statement following. Then these types of the single line or multiple line statements are executed upon their the condition. See the one example of the if then. In the single line, if condition, then statement, then end if. In the multiple line, if condition, then and then statement. See the one example. Suppose this is one form. Take the one label, enter your name, then enter password. Here is the text box. Here is also text box. And this is button. Submit. This is button. This is both are text box. They both are label. Write the code. Here enter your name. These both are labels. They both are text boxes. Text box 1 and then text box 2. Write the code on the submit. On the submit button. When you click on the submit button, enter your name and enter your password. Write the code on private sub, on which sub cmd means command line button, cmd on submit. Click. If takes if takes password takes if takes if takes password takes is takes name dot takes equal to user or takes pass dot takes equal to admin, then message box is password correct, and then end it, and then ends up. This is the program of if then. If takes name dot takes equal to user, if or takes password, and in second takes password is admin, then message box is display password is correct, then if close the end if, and then close the end if. Then if and then firstly condition is satisfied, then is executed, then message box will display password is correct. In this way if then is used in Visual Basic. Next is if then else. Second is if then and else. If then and else. Second, the variation of the if then statement is if then statement is executed one block of statement if the condition is true, another if the condition is false. The syntax if condition then statement block 1 else, statement block 2 else, statement block 2 and if. Visual Basic if the condition then statement block else, and otherwise statement block is executed. Visual Basic evaluate the condition, if it is true is executed the first block of the statement and then jumps the statement following the end if statement. If the condition is false, Visual Basic ignores. If the condition is false, Visual Basic ignores the first block of the statement and execute the block following the second block of the statement. In the second block of the statement, execute the second block of the statement which is right in else block, else keyword. The another in this way, the otherwise the first otherwise the if condition is executed, it goes to the if the condition first condition is executed is go to the statement block 1 and close to the end if. Otherwise it firstly condition is false is go to the else part and the block 2 statement is executed. Nested else if, how it is used in nested else if. The syntax of the nested else if condition 1, if condition 1, then statement block 1, then statement block 1, else if condition 2, then condition 2, then statement block 2, statement block 2, statement block 2, else if condition, else if condition 3, then statement block 3, then statement block 3, else statement block 4, statement block 4, and then end if. Here you can have number of the else clauses. The condition is evaluated from top, and if one of them is true, the corresponding block of the statement is executed. Here if condition is true, then statement block will be executed. Otherwise go to the else part. Else if condition is 2 is executed, the statement block is 2 executed. Otherwise go to the condition 3. There this condition is true, then statement block is 3 is executed. Otherwise it goes to the else part of the statement block 4 and close the end if. In this way, if condition, a number of the else clauses, number of the conditions are given, which conditions are evaluated from top, and if one of them is true, the corresponding block of the statement, one of the two, suppose condition 2 is true, then corresponding block is executed. Suppose give the one example. Enter your name, write in your text box. Next, enter password. Enter in your text box. Then submit. Write the code on submit button, private submit, private cmd, submit, on submit, click. Then if text name dot text equal to user or txt pass dot text equal to admin, then message box is password correct, otherwise else message box password incorrect, password incorrect, and if and end sub private sub, there here use the two labels and the two text boxes, and here the submit button. Private sub, on the submit click on if text name dot text, enter your name is user, or text password dot text equal to admin, enter you here password is admin, then message box is display password is correct, otherwise else part message box is go to the when the this username and the admin, when you entering the username and admin is correct, then the message box is display the correct password is correct, and otherwise is when the condition is not executed, condition is not satisfied, then condition is not executed, then is go to the else part and the message box is password is incorrect, and then here close this end if and the close the end sub. In this way the if then else is used. Give the another example. Number is even or odd, private sum command 1 click, write the code on private sub 1 command 1 click, here you write d means d is used for declaring the variable dim I as integer, dim I as integer, I equal to text 1 dot text if I mod 2 equal to 0, then message box is display number is even, else otherwise the else part the message box number is odd, end if and end sub, end if and the end sub. Number is even or odd, write the code on the command button 1 click, click dim I as integer, I equal to text box dot text, suppose use the command button, click on the command button, this is the command button, this is button, and use the text box, this is text box. When you enter any value number it checks, when entering the value store in I, text box 1 dot text value store in I, if I suppose you are entering the value is 2, I mod 2 is 0, then message box is displays even, otherwise you are entering the any another value 3, 5, it check the value of the I mod 2, then is go to the else part, the message box is display number is odd. In this way, and here close the end if, here he close the if end if, and he close the sub is end sub. In this way write the program. So is the simple program using the if else, if else use, if then else in this way use, in your Visual Basic programming. The next program, is find the greatest number from the two number. Write the program private sub command one click dim a as integer, dim b as integer, dim a as integer, dim b as integer, a equal to input box, enter value of a, enter the value for a, b equal to input box, enter value for b. If a is greater than b, then message box a is greater ampersand a, else message box b is greater ampersand b, and if and ends up, find the greatest number of the from the two number. Write the code on the command button, one click on the command button. This is button. Write the code on this command button. A, dim a and b as an integer. Declare a equal to input box. Enter the value for a. B equal to input box. Enter the value for the b. If a is greater than b, then message box a is greater and show the value of ampersand a. Otherwise, go to the else part and the message box show b is greater and show the value of the b, and close the end if, close this end if and close this sub. In this way, if else and if then else program write in Visual Basic. Today close your session. Thank you.